I'm on my way to the hardwood store this morning. It's called Hobby Hardwood, Alabama. It's in New Market, Alabama, northeast of Huntsville. It's about a 70-mile trip for me, so it'll be about an hour and a half one way. And I thought I would take you along and let you see what they have. This section here has all the exotic hardwoods from around the world. They're pretty expensive, but I only use these as highlights and maybe like the top ring of a bowl or a vase. Over here is all the other hardwood, and they've got, I don't know, 20 or 30 different types of hardwood. Hickory, maple, white oak, red oak, you name it, they've got it all. Walnut. Here's my haul of hardwood from today. This stack over here is the exotic wood. This one here is zebra wood, leopard wood, bloodwood, whinge, rosewood, purple heart, and padauk. I use that mostly for accents and highlights because it's pretty expensive wood. And this is the regular hardwood over here. I've got several pieces of rock maple because I'm putting a new top on my saw table, and I'll show you that when I'm finished with it. Got some cherries, some ambrosia maple, walnut, and I've never used this one before. It's butternut. So we'll see how that works out. Another piece of cherries, some quarter sawn sycamore, some ambrosia maple, quartered maple. I've never used that before. And then some ash. So that should get me stocked up to make a few things. But the first thing I'm going to do is put this up and get started on the top of my saw table, and I'll show you how that looks when I'm finished.